third activity, which is soil moisture plus LCD activity on the trainer kit. Plants can't speak, but what if electronics could tell us when they need water? In this activity, we will use the soil moisture sensor and LCD on the trainer kit to check whether the soil is dry or wet and display the moisture level in the real time. I have used here the wet soil and the dry soil. In this activity, we will check it. So let's start our activity. So we will first understand the theory of this activity. The sensor has two conductive probes that act as electrodes. This sensor, when inserted in the soil, it measures resistance between them. If the soil is wet, the high water content, better conductivity, low resistance and low sensor output. If the soil is dry, less water, poor conductivity, high resistance, higher sensor output. This sensor module gives two outputs, analog and digital. Analog output gives variable voltage between 0 to 1023 on Arduino based on the moisture level, and digital outputs can be used with the threshold comparator, but there we will use analog output for more accurate readings. Now we will do coding for this activity. Here is the code for this activity, and these are the pins for liquid crystal LCD display. So in this activity we will also select the board, select the port and upload the program. The procedure is same for all these activities, and the code is given in the description. When I put this sensor in this soil, the values decreases, and when I take off it, the value becomes decreases. This activity helps us to understand how soil conditions can be monitored in real time using Arduino and displayed for the user. Such a system are widely used in smart farming, irrigation control and gardening automations. So this is our third activity.